Hello, and thank you for joining me. This will be a short presentation for Environmental Health 351 on leptospirosis, which is a bacterial disease in the environment, by Gabriele Dokianos. Leptospirosis is a highly contagious bacteria that is spread through the urine of an infected animal, which then can contaminate natural resources such as water or soil, where it can survive for weeks or even months depending on climate. Many different forms of domesticated animals carry the bacteria, some including cattle, pigs, horses, dogs, rodents, and a number of wild animals. Infected animals can continue to excrete the bacteria into the environment continuously for several months or even years. There are a number of ways that humans can contract this disease, whether it being coming in contact with the urine or bodily fluid from an infected animal, with the exception of saliva, or an environmental factor such as water or soil being contaminated and then it gets into the food or is somehow consumed by the human. In order for a human to contract this disease, it needs to enter some form of mucous membrane, meaning the eyes, nose, or mouth. There is also the possibility of it being contracted through an open wound. This is important because in the fall of 2015, we actually had an outbreak of leptospirosis among domesticated dogs in the DeKalb area. Some of the doctors locally here in DeKalb came to the conclusion the reason that DeKalb was so vulnerable is because we had a lot of stagnant water where raccoons most likely were urinating and the dogs were somehow ingesting it. Luckily, there is an easy way to decrease your risk of leptospirosis, and that is to invest in your animals and make sure that they get all of the recommended vaccines for your area. Thank you.